স্টুডেন্ট যেমন আমরা আগে যেতাম সেইভাবে যা প্রথম 10 জন যাবে, তারপরে দেখা হয়ে যাবে, দেখে নেবে, তারপরে ফিরে আসবে। আর এখানে এই টেবিলে ওই একটা ব্রেন, একটা স্পাইনাল কর্ড আমি রেখে দিচ্ছি। যারা হিস্টোলজিতে যাবে, যারা এখানে বসে থাকবে, তারা দেখে নাও। You are come for histology practicals, okay? But I have just changed something because you'll see 2 slides, bag लेके भाग जाओगे, मत भागो। आप 1:45 12:45 में you leave this place. Every these 2.5 months. And see, today I discussed the brain. You see, it is the full complete brain. Even the undersurface you can see, and also the sagittal section, and also the spinal cord. By the time you see, I'll take 10 of your friends to histology. Now, one thing I'm telling you, the brain you see next week. You see liver, spleen, kidney, and your pancreas. So you read these food in these 7 days. বলা থাকলো এখন তোমাকে সেলফ স্টাডি with your friend. You have a partner. You discuss with 3-4 people after dinner. You sit down, hold superior extremity. আমরা 2 দিনে শেষ করব। একটা টার্গেট করো। You take upper limb, then you take lower limb, then take your vertebra, abdomen. But the visceras you want to see, you just 1 day earlier. You tell Avinash that in practicals, viewing the histology slide or something, whatever you have, practicals, pseudomycetes, routine, or whatever it is, he'll show you the slide, and then you have to revise half an hour. Half an hour, you see the things. Just see liver. Don't be mum. You see 2 kidneys. How you identify the right kidney and the left kidney. The specimens won't change, so don't waste time taking photos and this thing. Oh, ठीक है, हम देख लेंगे घर में. तो घर में तो ऐसे expand करो, another 10 minutes gone. ठीक है. Now please go on. हाथे धर के आस्ते देखो. Or if any of your friends have studied more or knowledgeable, you put your tab here, Magments, and see. And also you see the thing.